Puja has a story to tell. The week-long celebration of Wildlife Week with the theme Partnership for Wildlife Conservation, organized by the Office of the Divisional Forest Officer, Jaintia Hills Wildlife Division, JOWI, concluded on Friday. The valedictory function was held at Demtring Village. Speaking on the occasion, the PCCF Biodiversity and Wildlife, SM Sahai, said this year's theme is relevant as most of the forest areas in the state are under the private or community ownership, and lone conservation effort of the department cannot be sufficient unless there is an active participation and active support from the communities. Awards were also given to many individuals for rescuing animals.
This year's theme for Wildlife Week is participation, partnerships for wildlife conservation. This is very important. This gives trust for joining hands of different agencies, different stakeholders for this common goal of wildlife protection and conservation.
JOWI MLA Wailat Miki Shilla on Friday inaugurated